Welcome back to the channel. I have a pair of SkyZone O4Xs and wanted to know whether RapidMix works better or diversity. Which setting would be clearer? I asked on some groups and there were kind of differing opinions, so I figured I'd fly a bit with one and then fly a bit with the other. We'll take a look at it, show it to you, and decide which is better. I think I like diversity a bit more. I'm only using one module, or one receiver. I don't even really know what it's called. I'd be happy to know your thoughts, what your setup's like, if you feel the same way, or if you like it more on RapidMix, or if it makes a huge difference if you have two of them. Share with me your findings, and if you're trying to find out the same thing, hopefully you find this useful. And if so, or even if you're entertained just a little bit, just hit the like button. That's all you gotta do. Hit the like button. I'm not asking for that much, okay? Enjoy. Happy flying.